Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's still Tezza here, and this is my updated eyebrow tutorial. And yeah, let's dive right into this. So going in with my spoolie, and this is like a 2-in-1 spoolie I got from Jumia, and it has like a tapered end, and I'm just going to dip it into my deep brow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So gently going into the product, I'm just brushing up my brows, then I'm going to shave it using a new razor blade. It's actually a new one because you don't want to use an old razor blade so you don't injure yourself. And this is what it looks like after I've already carved it. So going in with milk of magnesia, this will serve as my primer in order to avoid my brows being oily all day, and it just seals up the brow and makes it super matte all day long, and your brows will just be intact like 24 hours non-stop. So this is an hack in case you're drawing your brows. Milk of magnesia is my go-to primer. So I'm just gently buffing out the product and doing that to the other side also, just gently brushing up the product, and I'm dipping in the angled brush into the spoolie, and I'm gently just passing out the excesses at the back of my palm, and I'm just drawing the line. You have to be careful when you're outlining your brows. You don't want it to be too thick. Some people actually like lighter brows, but me, I love bold brows actually. The thing is, it depends on my mood actually. So it depends on my mood. Some days I want lighter brows, some days I want fizzy brows, some days I want thick full brows. So it just depends on my mood. But the basic thing you have to learn is go with the natural shape of your brows. Don't draw a brow you have seen on the internet on your face. No, follow your brow shape and just work with what you have. So I'm just gently dipping the product into my brows, like very lightly, like very lightly, as you can see. And I'm just gently going to use the spoolie to brush it out to make it more lighter, that is creating a gradient from a lighter shade to a darker shade, just like your natural brows are. So we're just trying to imitate that, going from lighter brows to a darker shade. So you see me going in with more products in order to make it more deeper. That's because I love thick brows. Okay, so I'm going to do that to the other side of the brows also. I'm going to make a mistake around here. I could have easily edited this mistake, but no, I want you guys to see that nobody is perfect, and whenever you make mistake, you can easily erase it out and just continue. Voila, there you have it guys, your perfect brow. So I'm just gently buffing in the remaining product on the spoolie, not on the spoolie, rather on the angled brush, the tiny angled brush. I'm not going in with any more product. I'm just using the leftover product on the angled brush. So going in with my favorite concealer of all time from LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut and Toffee, and I'm going to be using Chestnut to clean the first half of my brows, that is carefully, as you can see. Then later I'm going to go in with Toffee, that is on the brow bone, that is towards the arch area. And that will serve as an highlighter, that is, I'm basically just highlighting my brow bone, because those are areas in which light will actually touch and it's going to make it pop. So I'm just going in with Toffee over that area, over my brow bone area, and later on I'm still going back with Chestnut again to cleanse the tail part of my brows so as to make it more pointy, because I love the end part of my brows to be very pointy and sharp. In so doing, it's nicer and better. So guys, keep watching and I'll see you guys towards the end of this video. So guys, we're gradually coming to the end of this tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it. Please guys, hit the like button at this point. Like, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like button and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I post a video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please guys, like guys, look at those gorgeous brows, like so thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.